my name is Dana Golden. Today we're going to be continuing with our journey into environmental economics data with a look at Tidyverse. Tidyverse really is a way to clean data in R with two major packages for cleaning, Dipler and then Tidyverse. Dipler is a big part of data manipulation as a part of Tidyverse. You can use it for filtering rows, selecting columns, creating and modifying variables, handling missing data, and certifying and grouping. It's a very versatile package, and people who use R frequently are using this basically all the time. It handles large data sets very efficiently. So filter, you can filter subset rows based on conditions, select, choose specific columns, mutate, add or modify variables. Arrange, you can sort rows, summarize, you can aggregate data, group by. You can choose a variable by which to summarize data and rename. You can rename some columns. I will obviously be uploading an R intro for those who are interested where I show you how this works in the R environment. And the pipe operator allows you to use a chain for clean, readable code. Here's an example. Data, and then you have it do a series of chain operations on that data. You start by filtering where column 1 is greater than 10, and then you filter again by selecting column 1 and column 2. It's very SQL-ish if you have ever been into SQL. So, scenario, let's say you want to remove rows with missing values and critical columns. Data goes to data filter where salary is not an A, and then you mutate salary equals replace salary is an A with the median of salary. So you're filtering rows where salary, or you're filtering out rows where salary is missing, and then you're replacing missing values in salary with the median. And then you can also perform group by and summarize. So you group by department and then summarize average salary equals mean of salary. So basically you're choosing by department what's the average for each group. And then if you are interested in learning more about Tidyverse and Dipler, you have this Dipler package here. This really good look into Dipler. All the Tidyverse libraries have these cheat sheets that are on GitHub and very nice. And then there are also some books like R for Data Science and Data Manipulation in R. And you can always practice. I encourage anyone to look into Data Camp and Kaggle. That was a very short introduction to Tidyverse. And in the next lecture, we'll get into some real meat of how to analyze data. If this was like a machine learning course or a data science course, I would get a lot more into how cleaning works. But, this is an environmental economics course. This is meant to give you a taste, and then if you have questions, you can talk to me in office hours.